Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Technica ATH-M30X headphones. These are designed to be studio headphones, and they are put together by one of the better known brands in the studio headphone space, Audio Technica. If you ask any audio engineer or producer, they'll probably recommend this as a good entry point to getting a set of studio headphones. This model has a few features that makes it desirable. Let's have a look at what those are. For starters, it has a really long cable. This is about 8 feet of cable. And the reason this cable comes so long is because these are technically audio monitor headphones. Now, you could use these as just regular headphones or headphones for your computer, but a good use case for these headphones would be if someone is playing guitar and they want to plug in their headphones into their audio monitor and you're standing up, you're going to need a long cable. The 3.5mm audio jack comes threaded, and it also comes with this 1/4-inch adapter, which is also threaded and is intended to screw onto the 3.5mm audio jack. And that makes it so that you can insert it into your audio interface, giving you even better sound quality. The headband and the earmuffs are made with a really nice leather exterior. And with most headphones, the first thing I look for is any kind of flaws with the stitching or the leather. And there is not a single flaw, at least not on mine. And I feel like headphones are something that a lot of people take a point of pride in. So seeing that they took the time to make sure there are no flaws on it just speaks volumes for the brand. The extensions on each side go out about 1.5 inches. And when you pull it out completely, you'll notice that there's a durable 2-pronged metal bar that you actually kind of have to work to pull it out and put it back in. And nothing about this feels cheap. And you can see that it goes in and out of the slot seamlessly. It just looks great. On the other end of the extending bar, there's this unique looking joint here. And this allows the bottom half of the headphones to swivel 15 degrees left or right, as well as a little bit of wiggle room forward and backward. This makes the headphones a lot less stiff, which makes them more comfortable to wear, but I find it also helps it to not break so easily. It gives the other moving parts a little bit of leeway if you were to put some weight or pressure on them. The only thing that worries me on these headphones is this little cable that connects between the extender, but it seems they've worked out the perfect length for this cable. It's never really being tugged on or squished, and right after that point, it is hidden pretty well. The connector for the earmuff, it has this double jointed system that allows this set of headphones to fold and become really compact. It makes it really easy to put them away and store them. And you can store these away easily using the leather protective pouch that they come with as well. A little feature that's quite understated is a little raised dot on the left side, and that just makes it easy for you to recognize which side is the left side or the right side, without actually having to visually inspect it to see the L or R indicators that are on the actual headphones. But mostly I just know that the cable is on the left-hand side. And the cable's connection on the left-hand side connects to this raised part and has this little protective rubber nub here that even if I try to pull it out, it doesn't seem to budge. So it's not flimsy at all. The earmuffs cover my ears quite comfortably. The squishy part is made of the leather material with the nice stitching. So it is a little bit firm, but it still has a good squish to it. So that was the ATH-M30X by Audio Technica studio monitor headphones. If you like this video, please remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you like how these headphones look, let me know. What kind of headphones are you using? Are you looking to replace them? Is there something specific that you look for when you're buying headphones? Let me know. And until then, I'll see you in another video.